Howdy, tubers. Here we have our Oliver 770. It's a 1958. The two ways that you can tell. Well, the 59 is a little different than the 60, but the grill is one. I think it's in 1958 only had this grill style. Then they went to the checkerboard style. And the fenders. See, this got the clamshell fenders here, which 1960 they changed that to the fender that went up and over the tire, the flat top fender. Dual remotes in the back, but the other set is used for the loader right now, so that's not hooked up that way. I am not sure on the maker of this loader, but that plate there has been added, and this big piece here that goes, this part is original, all this isn't. It's been added on so it would fit this tractor. It's originally off a Ford N series, and this loader's junk. I don't like the cylinder placement. I don't think it can lift anything with it like that, but that's how they made it. Yeah, it's a pretty good tractor. Fun to drive, nice to operate. Inside the transmission, a while back in its history, a 9-tooth pinion from a 77, I believe, was put in, so it's a little faster than normal. I think original was an 11-tooth pinion, if I remember right. I think we even got it in the shed here somewhere. I'm not going to dig around for that now that I think about it. It's probably too deep. But here it is. It hasn't been started in 3-4 days now, so I guess call this a cold start. Turn on the fuel first. That is if the battery isn't dead, like anything else. The charging system isn't up to par. Okay. She's normally pretty good at starting. Yep. Then we got our loader here. Up. Down. Watch this. This is the one part that we don't like about this loader. It just falls. There's absolutely no control over its descent. It just falls. But there's your old start. Yep. Tractor's got a lot of history. It's been beat up pretty good and still keeps going. It's our deer fetching tractor and deer hunting season. It works really good for that. Well, yeah, that's our 1958 Oliver 770. I got a picture of all the side tins, so we got all that. They're in pretty good condition yet. They haven't been on the tractor in who knows how long. It's been so long.